Okay. Bonjour, year 8. This is your third lesson for this week on the topic of daily routine. So, ma journée. Okay. So, please copy the date in French and the title and underline both. Then I would like you to copy this vocabulary in your books. So, these are the sequences that are going to help enhance your vocabulary and your sentences, make them more complex. So instead of saying I get up at 7:30, I eat breakfast, which sounds a bit robotic, you need to have a few of these sequences just to so it flows a little bit more. So first of all, I get up at 7:30. Then I get dressed at 7:45. After that, I eat breakfast with my family, etc. So that's going to help you make your paragraph more complex. Okay. So pause this video and write this down. Okay. Now I would like you to translate this paragraph into French. So you don't need to write it down first, but I would like you to translate this into French. I've included a bit of support at the bottom for vocabulary that you haven't seen yet. And obviously the sequences such as then, etc., I've made you copy them just earlier. So you can refer to that. I would like you to use only the vocabulary from your booklet or from your book to do this. And then obviously the one that I've given you at the bottom there. And see what you can do like that on your own. So please do not use any translators or anything else. See what you can do with the support of the book and the booklet. So I'm going to pause this video, or you can pause this video and translate this into French in your book. Okay, so hopefully you would have finished now, and take a red pen to correct your work. And I would like you to copy this paragraph in red now. Okay, so I'm going to read it out to you so you know what it sounds like. So you need, even if you made a small mistake, I would like you to copy the whole paragraph in red so you have a paragraph that's completely correct. Okay, so I'm going to read this to you now. Je me réveille à 7h moins le quart tous les jours de la semaine. C'est trop tôt. Ensuite, je me lave et je m'habille à 7h10. Après ça, je quitte la maison pour aller au collège à 7h30 et je ne prends jamais de petit déjeuner, je n'ai pas le temps. Après l'école, je rentre chez moi à 16h et je fais toujours mes devoirs. Mais mon frère ne les fait jamais. Pour finir, je me couche assez tard, à 23h30, car je lis beaucoup de BD. Okay, so after copying this paragraph in red in your book, I would like you to have a think and look at your mistakes. So where were the mistakes? Where were the mistakes? So did you forget the reflexive pronoun, je me réveille? Okay. Did you forget that me before a vowel on H becomes M apostrophe? Therefore, je m'habille, M apostrophe, habille, because there's an H afterwards. Did you forget the accent on the A before the time? À 7h10. Did you, do you need to work on your negative? How to say never, which is ne plus verb plus jamais. Okay. Then, do you need to work on faire? Did you make mistakes on the conjugation of faire? Je fais AIS, but my brother is he, il fait FAIT. And then here we've got mon frère ne les fait jamais, which is a negative, and that includes a little word in there before faire. Ne les fait jamais. Have a think, what is this? So this is a direct object pronoun, les, and refers to mes devoirs. So it replaces mes devoirs, my homework. And it's les, not la or le, because mes devoirs is plural, and it goes before the verb. Okay? Right. After you've done this, you can move on to the next bit, which is to write a paragraph over 60 words about your daily routine. So I would like you to use a lot of time indications. Okay, so at what time? Okay, you need to include a lot of sequences after that, first, then, finally, all of this. Then I would like you to include some reasons and opinions in your paragraph as well. It's too early. I love like eating cereal in the morning, these kind of things. And details where do you eat breakfast? Is it in the kitchen? Is it in the dining room? Who with? Use, of course, the reflexive verbs. I wake up, I get up, I get dressed, I go to bed, all of these. And obviously include the new vocabulary that you learned this week. Include some complex structures, such as negative, ne plus verb plus pas for not, ne plus verb plus jamais for never, ne plus verb plus plus, plus, for no longer. Use the comparisons that we saw not long ago. It was plus, moins is aussi, which is more, less, as, okay, than. You need the adjective in the middle before que. In personal structures, it is important to, il est important de, followed by an infinitive. Okay. As an extension, try and use the past and the future tenses to talk about what you did yesterday and what you're going to do tomorrow. So, paragraph over 60 words on your daily routine. Okay. Okay, so after you finished writing your paragraph, please, as usual, upload a picture of your work for today. Okay. And select hand in as well. So thank you very much for your work. And I hope that was clear for you. Okay, thank you.